Y'all, this has been my favorite ponytail yet. So it's hard for me to just detach from it. I'm getting ready to take this down. My hair is in dire need of shampooing and treatment because it is bleached. And as you can see, homegirl has quite a bit of new growth, right? So anyway, here we have this weave, and I'm gonna insert this. I'll insert the type of ponytail weave this is. This is a synthetic hair that I used for this look, and I absolutely adored it. I got a lot of compliments on it. I wouldn't take it out. You know, it was very versatile. It just went with everything. It's the summertime out here. I'm in Riverside, California, so it's off my neck. If I need it, I could tie it up. I could pull it down. It was just so convenient for me to have this look. This was just a very cool look to have with my dreadlocks. But as you can see here, let's come down a little bit. This is glued down to a cap, and the cap is tied around. So I'm just gonna take some scissors here, and I do recommend people being careful doing this so that they don't cut their hair by mistake. There's actually one track that's have just come loose from there without me having to even use the scissors yet. Let's see. Let's do this. Can you see it? Can you see this weft? This black weft right here? Okay. So if I could just pull that, that would help me speed through this process. Oh, I think we're on track. I cracked myself up. Oh my goodness. I would absolutely get this hair again. I would. And do more with it. Like, try a different style besides the ponytail. I'm kind of like out the frame, it's so high up. And mind y'all, this is just glue. See, there's my hair under there, safe and sound. And that's not the part of the hair that I'm worried about. I'm worried about this part that needs to be shampooed and taken care of. Go ahead and cut this so I can stop fighting with it. Or is it already cut? Nice. Now let that go. You can see that is the rest of see that there? It's a little snip. And you know what? It wouldn't hurt to spray this. That way it can just come loose. This is just plain water. That soften the adhesive up. That way I'm not extremely. There we go. Thank you, baby. Coming right on off. A little bit more. I'm stuck. I don't know if you saw me. I got to this point in that little pull back. Oh, it doesn't hurt. I know. Except me making that noise and saying it doesn't hurt. It's like, are you sure? I promise. It's more so my fingers and my nails having issues here, not me. I think we need a little bit more water, a little bit more lubrication here. So it's not so rusty. What's happening now? I can't really see what's happening. I'll tell you what I can do. I'll go ahead and pop this stocking cap off. There's a hole, so you gotta open it. There we go. I just need a tension. There we go. So I can pull both in opposite directions at the same time. That way we got less resistance going on there. That's out. Okay. Well, bye-bye ponytail. Whew. And then this is what's left. Me and the protective stocking cap that I had on here. And some, those are rubber bands. This stuff's been in there for like a month, so you guys bear with me. It's been a little bit over 30 days. Ah, lots of dread. I'm not upset. I have a lot of hair. Lost the dread. I say you win some, you lose some. Those are rubber bands popping. I have rubber bands up here to keep my hair in a ponytail, obviously. And these are, this strip was crocheted in. A month later, nothing really looks the same, does it? Wow. 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 Oh my God, you guys, that feels amazing. Oh, I almost forgot I got hair. Yes, you do. You forget. It's been in a protective style for so long. What's happening? Why can't I take the hair out? Okay. You guys, my hair is the color T27. I used a T27 toner to get this color blonde in my hair, and I love it. I really do. I wonder how many inches of new growth this is. Let me look up in a minute. Try to guess. Crazy work. Yes, girl. She back. She's back. Hair's so healthy. Keep your hair tied up. Keep your hair shampooed. Keep it treated, please. It will do you some justice in the long term. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Got a few more barrels on this side. And I had sister locks initially. I had a sister lock grid initially. And then over time, I fell out of the routine of going to a sister lock consultant to get my hair retied. I started to do the reties myself because I am a hairstylist. And I put them together because, sister girl, it takes way too long to sit there 8 hours every 30 days. I mean, the fact that they're smaller now, I'm pretty sure if I did go back to a sister lock consultant, it would only take them maybe 2 to 3. I wouldn't even say 3 because I made them bigger, but at least 2 hours to retie my whole head. But they were so tiny, you guys, but they were beautiful. But no, not for the level of maintenance that took. That was a high level maintenance, which I greatly appreciate the lady who established them, all the time it took for her to do them. Okay, let me turn around and do the back. Y'all see how she look. so taking out this last little piece over here on the side. I just feel like I haven't seen my hair. Like this is my identity. I haven't seen my identity in a while. Something failed. What was that? Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have her. These babies about to be swinging. Ooh. I'm not gonna put the wash day on this video. I'm gonna go ahead and do an extended, so stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe and just catch me in the next video because I'm about to shampoo her and you don't want to miss all of my soapbox add-ons and product review when we go into it in the next one. Thank you for watching.